Virtual audio learning.
Smoke-free in 2 weeks, a comprehensive guide to quit smoking. Chapter 1, Introduction. Understanding the power of addiction. Smoking is a deadly addiction that has plagued millions of people around the world for generations. The primary reason for this ongoing epidemic is the addictive nature of nicotine, the chemical found in tobacco. This book, Smoke-Free in 2 Weeks, is dedicated to helping you break free from the chains of nicotine addiction and live a healthier, happier life. The decision to quit. Quitting smoking is a personal choice, and it can be one of the most important decisions you ever make for your health and well-being. We will explore the reasons why you want to quit and how to harness that motivation to stay smoke-free. The 2-week challenge. Research has shown that the first 2 weeks of quitting smoking are often the most challenging. In this book, we will guide you through those crucial first 2 weeks, providing you with strategies, tools, and support to make this journey as smooth as possible. In the following chapters, we will delve deep into the science of nicotine addiction, explore various quitting methods, and help you create a comprehensive quit plan. You will learn how to cope with cravings, build a strong support system, stay active and healthy, and ultimately, emerge from these 2 weeks smoke-free. Are you ready to take the first step toward a smoke-free future? Let's embark on this life-changing journey together. Chapter 2, Preparing for your quit date. Setting a quit date. Choosing a quit date is a significant milestone in your journey to quit smoking. It marks the beginning of your commitment to becoming smoke-free. Learn how to pick the perfect quit date and make a plan for that important day. Identifying triggers and cravings. Understanding your triggers and cravings is a critical aspect of quitting smoking. By identifying these triggers, you can develop effective strategies to manage them and minimize the urge to smoke. Gathering support. Quitting smoking is a challenging endeavor, and you don't have to go through it alone. We'll explore how to gather support from friends, family, and professionals to increase your chances of success. Chapter 3, Nicotine Addiction and Withdrawal, the Science of Nicotine. To conquer an enemy, you must understand it. In this chapter, we'll delve into the science of nicotine addiction, exploring how nicotine affects your brain, body, and behavior, and what makes it so difficult to quit. Withdrawal symptoms. Nicotine withdrawal symptoms can be uncomfortable, but they are a sign that your body is healing. Discover the common withdrawal symptoms and learn strategies to cope with them effectively. Coping strategies. Effective coping strategies are essential during the early stages of quitting. We'll discuss various methods to manage cravings and navigate the challenges that come with nicotine withdrawal. Chapter 4, The Benefits of Quitting. Health improvements. Quitting smoking offers numerous health benefits. From improved lung function to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, we'll explore the positive impact quitting can have on your well-being. Financial benefits. Smoking is an expensive habit, and quitting can save you a significant amount of money. Learn how quitting can positively impact your finances. Quality of life. Beyond health and financial benefits, quitting smoking can lead to an improved quality of life. We'll discuss how quitting can enhance your overall well-being, including your social life, relationships, and emotional health. Chapter 5, Choosing a Quitting Method. Cold turkey. Going cold turkey is one of the most challenging but also one of the most effective methods to quit smoking. We'll discuss the pros and cons of this approach and provide guidance on how to go about it. Nicotine replacement therapy, NRT. Nicotine replacement therapy offers various products designed to help you gradually reduce your nicotine intake. Learn about NRT options such as nicotine gum, patches, lozenges, and inhalers. Prescription medications. Prescription medications can be a powerful aid in your quitting journey. Explore medications like Chantix and Zyban, their mechanisms, and how they can help you quit smoking. Alternative therapies. There are several alternative therapies and practices that can complement your smoking cessation efforts. Discover options like acupuncture, hypnotherapy, and mindfulness meditation. Chapter 6, Creating a Quit Plan. Goal setting. Setting clear, achievable goals is essential in any endeavor. We'll guide you in setting specific, measurable, and time-bound goals for your quitting journey. Identifying smoking patterns. Understanding your smoking patterns can help you anticipate challenges and prepare for them. We'll teach you how to track your smoking habits and identify triggers. Preparing your environment. Your physical environment can influence your smoking behavior. We'll explore strategies to create a smoke-free living space and workplace, reducing the temptation to smoke. Chapter 7: Building a support system. Family and friends. Your loved ones can play a significant role in your quitting journey. Learn how to communicate your goals to family and friends, and gain their support and encouragement. Support groups. Joining a support group can provide a sense of belonging and encouragement. We'll discuss the benefits of support groups and how to find one that suits your needs. Counseling and therapy. Professional counseling and therapy can be powerful tools in your quitting journey. We'll explore the different types of therapy and how they can help you address the psychological aspects of addiction. Chapter 8: Coping with Cravings. Recognizing triggers. Identifying your triggers is a crucial step in managing cravings. We'll help you recognize the situations, emotions, and habits that lead to smoking. Developing coping strategies. Once you understand your triggers, it's time to develop effective coping strategies. We'll provide a toolbox of strategies to help you combat cravings and stay smoke-free. Healthy distractions. Distracting yourself from cravings can be an effective way to overcome them. We'll share a variety of healthy distractions to keep your mind off smoking. Chapter 9: Staying active and healthy. Exercise and its role in quitting. Physical activity can be a valuable ally in your quest to quit smoking. Discover the benefits of exercise and how it can help you manage cravings and reduce stress. Nutrition and smoking. Your diet plays a significant role in smoking cessation. We'll discuss the connection between nutrition and quitting and provide dietary tips to support your journey. Stress management. Stress is a common trigger for smoking. Learn stress management techniques to help you navigate challenging moments without reaching for a cigarette. Chapter 10: Overcoming setbacks. Understanding relapse. Relapse is a possibility in any quitting journey, but it doesn't mean failure. We'll help you understand the dynamics of relapse and how to prevent it. Learning from mistakes. Mistakes are opportunities for growth. We'll explore how to learn from your setbacks and use them to strengthen your resolve to quit smoking. Getting back on track. If you do experience a relapse, it's crucial to get back on track promptly. We'll provide a step-by-step guide on how to refocus your efforts and continue your journey to becoming smoke-free. Chapter 11: 2 weeks to freedom. The first week. The first week of quitting is often the most challenging. We'll walk you through what to expect and how to cope with cravings and withdrawal symptoms. The second week. As you enter the second week of quitting, you'll begin to notice significant improvements. We'll discuss the changes in your body and mindset and offer guidance on staying motivated. Celebrating milestones. Acknowledging your achievements is essential for maintaining motivation. We'll explore ways to celebrate milestones in your quitting journey, from 1 day to 2 weeks smoke-free. Chapter 12: Staying smoke-free for life. Long-term maintenance. Successfully quitting smoking is a remarkable achievement, but staying smoke-free for life is the ultimate goal. We'll discuss strategies and tips for long-term maintenance. Managing triggers and stress. Throughout your life, you may encounter triggers that tempt you to smoke. We'll provide ongoing strategies for managing these triggers and handling stress without returning to smoking. Building a smoke-free identity. Quitting smoking is not just about quitting a behavior, it's also about transforming your identity. We'll help you build a new, smoke-free identity that aligns with your healthier, happier life. Chapter 13: Helping others quit. Supporting friends and family. If you've successfully quit smoking, you can be a valuable source of support for your friends and family who want to quit. Learn how to help them on their journey. Becoming a quit-smoking advocate. Becoming an advocate for quitting smoking is a way to give back and raise awareness. We'll discuss how you can become involved in anti-smoking campaigns and organizations. Chapter 14, Conclusion. Reflection on the journey. In this final chapter, we'll reflect on your journey to becoming smoke-free. You've come a long way, and it's essential to recognize your achievements. A smoke-free future. As you close this book, you'll embark on a smoke-free future filled with health, happiness, and freedom from addiction. Your journey is an inspiring testament to the power of human resilience and determination. Congratulations on taking the first step toward a healthier, smoke-free life. You have the knowledge, tools, and support you need to succeed. Your 2-week challenge begins now, and with determination and the guidance provided in this book, you can emerge victorious. Stay strong, stay committed,